If you want to make $100,000 or more selling real estate, here are 5 things you have to have starting out. Number 1, the right mindset. Relationships over transaction, always and forever. Number 2, good system for lead generation. For me, that's outbound calling, networking with affinity partners and other vendors, and then working my database for referrals and repeat clients. Number 3 is a good system for follow-up. For my lead follow-up, I do 2 different things. I have a scalable weekly email that I send out, and then I have a hot list of anybody that's going to do something the next 30, 60, 90, 120 days, a year, whatever, that I'm following up more contextualized and more consistently. Number 4 is a good CRM. Personally, I use KV Core through eXp Realty. If you don't have the money to go buy KV Core on your own, or your company doesn't provide you a CRM, reach out to me. I know a couple cheap ones that are really effective. And then the last piece of the puzzle, the most important piece of the puzzle, one of the most important pieces, number 5, is you have to have a system in place for your database to produce referrals and repeat business. I've got a great VIP system that I use and implement with my database. 80 to 90% of my transactions come from my database. You've got to have those 5 things in place if you want to make at least $100,000 starting out in real estate.